Auntie Nancy's house. Oh, she's not here?
Sila na siya sa
Saudi. Si Patriarch, si Kwan, si Demalin.
Okay pa mata mo? Wala kang katarata? Tayo na?
So this is my aunt, which is my dad's brother's wife. This is the church, St. Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church.
You can use the stairs going up to the bagting.
Hmm. Wow, that's big. Like,
You're tourist when you have a cow.
the Onions of America. That is where we had a picture. Let's go to the shoe.
That's okay. I don't want to attract a lot of attention. My shoes is like super bright.
That's why matangan kang kudal-kudal.
What is this supposed to be? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Asan mo nga kipin?
I don't know what happened to it.
Nandiyan dyan, may galak mo.
Wala.
Ay.
You gonna get all of it?
Ha?
You gonna get all of it? Okay. That's it? I found this. Maybe this.
Tranquilizer man eh.
October celebrates.
Sa bunso.
So, Tito, what?
Taas ka ha? Yang height mo?
Paklas yan eh.
5'10"? Dito. Ayan. And your second cousin.
May taga-kain. Oo. May taga.
Inungit na.
May taga. Taga-susunod.
Hi.
Diyan nurse ko.
Nice to meet you.
Diyan naman ang engineer ko.
Umalis wala pa alam.
Tita ninyo. O yan. Siya.
Okay, okay, bless.
Itong anak.
Hi, how
Anak
are you?
dito. Kero niyo mo.
Bless, bless.
Kaya kayo magpinsan. Kapatid ni Kuya Salde. Is my cousin.
Her cousin.
His cousin. Yeah.
Oh, my auntie. Okay. Okay, hi. What's your name? Rika. Apo.
6 terms?
Orang bunga.
Apa nih kabuk betan?
3?
Oh,
3? No, 3?
So many family in the family reunion. And almost all the food is gone. Crazy. Hi! Oh, she's scared. She's scared. Oh, ayaw. Ay.
Taklas naman to. Pwede itong basketball na no, player. Varsity ka?
Wow. Hey, he's so tall. How tall? How tall are you?
How tall are you?
6'2"? Oh, dang.
6'2".
Yay! I tried to hold Elizabeth and she's scared. Doesn't want me to hold her. Oh.